It's really messy right now, and I'm getting ready to move in a couple weeks, but I can give you a basic tour. It's turned into a tea kettle. Alright. Alright. So we got the moving corner and the Etsy box. And then we've got open drawers. The very messy dresser. The very, very messy vanity slash desk. Hello. Tails. I've got some ears. These are my ears. These are some ears that I'm going to be selling that are somehow in like a not safe place. Bookshelf. Yeah, that's a bookshelf. There's Minecraft books in there because, yeah, so preppy. That is my whiteboard. Minecraft Legos and the original paper blocks. Hanging plants. Vision board. That's my very cozy bed. And outdoors. Yeah, I've got like weird things here, like nature things. I made that and I made that. Pinned bug. That's a grasshopper. I made that. I painted that, and then that's my guinea pig. His name is Fred. And then these are my fish. Their names are Rick and Morty. And that was like the best 5 minutes of your life ever spent.